Hello everyone and welcome to Stranded on Earth. This is the nonprofit that I decided to put together, and it's an organization that helps house aliens left behind, and they help them become educated and participate in recreational activities. So as you can see here, this is my logo. Let's zoom in. It's really small, but it's this, oh no, that's not what we wanted, but it's this little alien. It's so cute, but it's like Earth. So that's something I loved. And I just wanted to make like the colors of this very space-like, kind of out of this world. So with the color themes, I used a color theme generator, and I found some greens that I liked, and I added in blue to help with trusting, and then I added in purple because in the studies that we looked at, purple was generally liked by women, and I was kind of catering this towards moms. And then right here is, we have this volunteer hands in the same colors right next to the donate or has now. So, I think, maybe I should click on that and help. This is just a font that I'm kind of loving right now. It's kind of a trendy font, and I just wanted to use this because I wanted it to make it seem like a welcoming, happy website. I have this happy, smiling family, different things. This is, it looks it's an alien picture, but it's still not that bad. It's very nice to look at. Yeah, it was, and I have all these, that go down to the different parts. That was cool when I finally figured that out and looked at the announcement. And I don't know, it was really difficult. I never coded before this class, but I'm so proud of myself to be able to do this. It's something that I never thought before. I'd say the hardest part was I had to figure out how to not use like the ETPB section 1, ETPB section 2. So figuring out how to create more IDs in the back part in using Divi. So that was probably the hardest part, but then once I figured that out, it was so easy. Yeah, and I just like, the different sections. It looks pretty much exactly like the mock-up that I put together. Let's see if you can scroll up. But yeah, this is what I put together, and I'm really proud of it. Thank you.